Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are doing a video after a very long time, like a long video sort of thing. And this video is all about the wedding season. So wedding season is on the hit now, and I'm gonna talk about all the essential things you need to have in your kit as a girl, as a girly gang. And I'm gonna show you all the products I've got recently from different websites, and I'm gonna show you all the products. Maybe there are some relatable products and there are new products which you can buy yourself, which are under a very affordable range. So here we go. So the first product you all need to have is, it's winter season in India, especially in north, और नॉर्थ में सबसे ज़्यादा आई थिंक शादियाँ वादियाँ होने वाली है. So the first product you need to have this serum, which is from Dermaco, and this is something I'm gonna link all the products below in description box. This is basically indulged with vitamin C and some multivitamins, and it has done wonders for my skin, especially for pigmentation. My side acne has been getting blur, and ये बहुत अच्छी products है, so you can definitely go and buy this. Second product I will definitely recommend is the Cetaphil moisturizer, again from the स्किन केयर, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली सबसे ज़्यादा हमें वेडिंग सीजन में अपनी स्किन को प्रेप अप करने की ज़रूरत है. मैं इसकी पता नहीं कितनी ट्यूब्स खाली कर चुकी हूँ. आई डोंट काउंट ऑन नंबर्स नाउ. So this has done wonders for me. Again, this is for dry and sensitive skin, so you can definitely give it a try and see how it works for you, because my dermatologist suggested me this, so I'm using it. Now the third product is डेफिनेटली परफ्यूम्स. ऑब्वियसली बात है कि शादी का सीज़न है तो यू हैव टू स्मेल नाइस. सो आई हैड बीन टू मिनिसो रिसेंटली एंड आई गॉट दिस new range of perfume from Miniso. This is a Dazzle range. Trust me guys, इसका जो smell है, it's actually smelling like a luxury perfume. I have used luxury perfume, so I know what kind of notes they have. So this is really a good purchase, and I think this is just for like 600 rupees, and that you're getting this much big bottle, which can at least last you like 6 months. Another one, I will talk about this perfume which I got from men's section for Webhub. So we both have Luke's perfumes, but we definitely want to have dupes. So you can say this is kind of a dupe of a very luxe perfume, and this is Garden of Mirror, again from Minnesota. This is I think for 700 or 800 bucks. Again, you can go ahead and buy this one. Now the next product I have got, obviously you are gonna do a lot of makeup and it's gonna cause you a lot of breakout on your skin. Don't forget to clean your face before you go to sleep, so I'm gonna recommend this Garnier ka micellar water. You can go for any brand now. Micellar waters are available for many brands right now, so you can definitely go ahead for this one. The next product you would need, I guess, would be wet wipes. So wet wipes, again essential thing. मैंने ये online लिए थे. I think I got like 2 packs for 100 rupees or 200 rupees, I don't remember, but बहुत सारे wet wipe के brands available है. You can just buy it according to your skin. And the next products I'm gonna recommend is jhumkas. So here we go. I have had a collection of like numerous jhumkas in my life. I'm gonna show you some of these. This is a pair of jhumka I have got. Now obviously the question is, how do I handle this pain? So I'm gonna show you a trick right now. I just found a very nice thing from Meesho, and Meesho is such a savior. You get these invisible I say like a supporter sort of thing. Okay, this is like a pair of invisible supporter for earrings. So here you go guys, मैंने इसे पहन लिया है and literally ये earring बहुत heavy है. This is really heavy, and I'm not able to feel the earring at all, because you can see this supporter here. I have this supporter, so this works like wonders. Obviously ये बहुत अलग अलग स्टाइल में आता है, बट मैं ट्रांसपेरेंट प्रूफ करती हूँ, and I just don't want to put something heavy on my earlet. सो दिस वर्क्स आउट फॉर मी. और ये बहुत सही हैक है न्यू ब्राइड्स के लिए, न्यू गर्लीज आउट देयर हु आर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दिस मच पेन. मैं पहले बिना सपोर्ट के पहनती थी ये सब, एंड नाउ इट हैज़ सेव्ड मी फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ पेन बिकॉज आई लव wearing heavy jhumkas. So I'm gonna change quickly and I'm gonna show you the next thing. Okay guys, here I'm back again. Now I'm gonna show you the other pair of jhumkas. Actually मैंने सारे झुमके या तो ऑनलाइन लिए हैं, या जयपुर से लिए हैं, या सरोजनी से लिए, डिफरेंट मार्केट से. सो मैं अपने झुमका जो स्पेशली झुमकाज या ज्वेलरी को बहुत अच्छे से रखती हूँ. बट आई जस्ट रियली वांट टू शो यू अ न्यू ईयरिंग विच आई हैव added recently to my collection. It's outstanding. और ये ईयरिंग अच्छे वेबसाइट पे बहुत एक्सपेंसिव मिल रहा है. मैंने एक्चुअली ये सरोजनी से लिया था, आई थिंक ओनली फॉर like 450 rupees I guess. This beauty, देखिए, this is so nice. And I have many earrings like this. Like I think I have 10-15 pair of jhumkas like this. And trust me, जो मैंने आपको इनविजिबल सपोर्टर अभी दिखाया उससे आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा that you're wearing something like that. Now the next thing I have got is pins. Now it's not something very normal. These are pins for sari, suit, lehengas, where you don't want to pin in your safety pin and make a hole in your very expensive clothes. You can use these pins. These pins actually open up and just tuck out the thing you have. It has a space like this and it's very easy to use. It saves you a lot of time. It don't damage your clothes and saves from damaging them. Now next wedding essential I would talk about is creating a pin dabba for yourself, where I am putting in all my juda pins, all my bob pins, all my hair accessories which I want to use at the event. So I have created a box like this, somewhat like this, where I've put all the accessories like my headgears, my hair accessories. So this is also gonna save you a lot of time in the wedding. I really love doing makeup. I really enjoy weddings. So I really thought to, just share my things with you. Now I've ordered all these stuff mainly online and I'm going to show you a very important thing now, which is a makeup pouch which has saved me a lot of space in just 800 rupees. I've got this wonder, actually this is a viral makeup bag. I got this from Amazon and there is no particular brand out for there, but this one in particular which I've got is very sturdy, high quality. This is available in 200-300 rupees on Meesho, Flipkart and a lot of website, but this one in particular is very good quality. It opens up like this and it comes in various colors. It has a lot of stuff in it, like a lot of stuff. You legit have a lot of space in this particular bag, I must say. This actually I used to carry a lot of stuff. Now in this I can just put my stuff and इसमें मेरा सब कुछ आ जाता है भाई, everything in just like one bag. I carry all my makeup in this and I love this bag in short because अभी मेरे को बड़ा bags लेके नहीं जाना पड़ता. Now I purchased this waterproof bag for my makeup brushes. Why? Because this is waterproof and I just don't like my brushes to get wet, and for whatsoever reason, because there are a lot of stuff we put in our bags while wedding, we just don't care, and the brushes are spoiled and damaged. I spend a lot of money in my makeup and I buy expensive things and I just don't want to use them like for once. So I save my things. So I got this from Mr. DIY. This is for 70 or 100 rupees I guess, and this has my brushes. Then I got this very affordable, you can say, for self makeup brush set from Mange. This is again from Amazon. This is somewhere around 1000 rupees or 1200 rupees, I don't remember. I haven't even opened this right now, but this is gorgeous brand and the brushes are high quality. You literally use this for professional purpose also. I've seen people using this for professional stuff. I haven't even opened the pack right now. I'm just opening it just to show you. Look at these babes. Okay, let me just show you the quality actually. This is so soft and very nice. So now the next thing we go up to is very important for me, which is Miss Claire nail glue. Guys, I used to spend a lot of money in nail extension, like 2,000, 3,000. I started doing my nail extension on my own. Then again, it was taking me a lot of time. Now I've started using stick-on nails from good brands. Now, I just don't remember the name. I think it's Pep Nails, and there are a lot of brands out there. You get nails in like 300, 400 rupees you stick on, but the glue comes with them is not resistible. I got this one. I started using this. Trust me, my nail lasted me like for 10 to 15 days, which is a good deal. Like in 500 bucks initially, you're not even putting in that much efforts, and it saves you a lot of time, saves you a lot of money, and you have to buy this glue is very adamant. It's aggressive glue. It doesn't irritate your skin. It's very soft on skin, but yes, it's very adamant. It will stay there. It will not at all you can say go with water, normal water. You're doing a lot of stuff. It's very nice glue, so you can definitely check this out as well. I got this from Amazon for 250 or 300 rupees, I guess. Now the next thing I have got is again from Miniso. So I've got things from Amazon, Meesho, Miniso, Mr. DIY, and some things from Sarojini. So street shopping is also there. So this is not a haul kind of thing. This is just a wedding essential video. So these are some puffs from Miniso, which is for 60 rupees. And I really use them a lot because I put banana powder and compact powder और वो सब खराब हो जाता है उनका pads, so this comes handy. I've got my nose patches for like acne on nose, and actually this is for Webber because he has acne prone skin. I still don't have that much acne or blackheads on my nose, but this one comes handy for him because उसको बहुत sweat और ये सब होता है, so I have to take care of my husband also. Alright, I've got one thing for you. That is this hairband. Now this is a messy bun hairband. It's easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. This is a band. It comes like this, okay, like this. Now you can use this on western clothes, festive clothes, wedding season. How? You just make a bun and put it out there. Trust me, it looks so real. It comes in various colors, various shades. So if you have brown hair, if you have red hair, if you have black hair, it is handy. I got this from Meesho for less than 200 rupees, I guess. So it's still deal again. So that was it, guys. So the things which I have shown you is skincare, the basic skincare, makeup bags, some perfumes, some accessories, some jhumkas, some supporters, some useful things for you which you actually need to carry while you are going into a wedding or in the wedding or festive season, I can say. So that was it. I hope you liked the video, and I post a lot of short videos, so please do check them out. Soon I'll be posting a new travel vlog on my channel, so please stay tuned for that. That was it. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.